Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start immediately by positioning the fork in a bench vise at the crown so it's stable. This prevents damage when you separate the lowers. Next, remove the axle or through axle and take off the wheel, then drain the damper oil into a clean container so you can inspect it. Once done, use snap ring pliers to pop the clip behind the dust seal and peel the seal back. Make sure to keep parts organized in order of removal so reassembly is straightforward. You'll now expose the bushing by removing the stanchion or inner assembly. This reveals the retaining rings and bushing face. Use a correctly sized punch or a hydraulic press and apply steady, centered force from the same side recommended by the manufacturer to push the bushing out. Uneven pressure will warp the lower leg or score the stanchion. Once the bushing begins to move, stop and clean the bore. Then continue slowly. Make sure to keep the lower leg supported and aligned to protect the guide surfaces. You press in the new bushing using a drift that seats only on the bushing flange so you don't damage the bore. Lubricate lightly and drive it to the OEM depth mark. Once seated, reinstall seals and the dust wiper, snap the retaining ring, and reassemble the stanchion and axle. Then refill with the correct oil type and volume and cycle the fork to remove air. If you notice binding or lateral play, stop, recheck bushing alignment and retention, and replace any damaged seals before riding.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.